Hey friends, Miss Wendy here. Really, it's me with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to be making, did you guess? Yes, it's a mask. Come join me and I'll show you how I made it. So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the library, you'll find the following items. 1 paper plate, 1 gemstone, 1 mask template, and 1 chopstick. You'll also need some additional items. Something to color with, tape, and scissors. If you have a pointy pencil, that would be good too. All right, let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is cut around our mask template. Okay, so you can put your paper aside and bring your paper plate over and just go ahead and fit it on your paper plate as best you can. Now with that pencil, or you can do it with a crayon, just go ahead and draw the edge of the mask, just the bottom edge, because the top edge really is already cut for you. So we're tracing that mask template onto our paper plate. The eyes, what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and trace the eyes, and you'll see I'm pressing pretty hard, and so when you pick up the mask template, you will see the outline of the eyes. You can go over it a couple times as well. All right, and take it away, and there you go. So we have the line for the pencil, and we kind of have the outline for the eyes. All right, and now we're gonna go ahead and cut this out. And I'm working on the side of the paper plate that you actually would like eat off of. So I'm working on this side. All right. Are you wondering how these eyes are going to be cut out? Well, if you either take your scissors or the point of the pencil, push through on each eye, and that'll give you a little bit of an opening. Then you want to fit your scissors in, cut up to the line, and you could even do a couple cuts. You could fold this up so that it's easier for you, and we're just going to cut around each of the eyes like that, kind of making your way around the outline of the eyes. If you need help with this, ask your grown-up. All right, so that was a little bit tricky, even for me, but I'm sure with grown-ups' help you can do that. Now, this is going to be the outside of my mask, and I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this over and decorate my mask. So go ahead and use crayons or markers, whatever it is that you'd like. You're also going to put your gemstone on your mask. So if you wanted to use that as something to put on first and then kind of draw around it, it's going to be completely up to you. So go ahead and decorate. All right, so this is the mask that I've decorated, and I'm just going to put my gemstone on the side. So use a little bit of tape. On the back of your mask, try to get it so that it fits and it's not going over the gemstone. So I may even cut a little bit of this off. So cut the tape if you have to. And I'm just going to put it on the side here. The other thing is we are going to use our chopstick as a holder for our mask. So go ahead and turn your mask over. All right, friends, so we're ready to put our chopstick on our mask so that it's easier for us to hold. So if you want to hold your mask with your left hand, put it on the left side. If you want to hold it with your right hand, put it on the right side. Either way. So I am going to just tape it on. Now, when you tape, you may need a few pieces, and don't tape the eye. Just be careful of where you're taping. And you also want to kind of get it right up to the edge and then over and right up to that edge. So if you see, and actually that does feel pretty sturdy. So I'm going right up to the edge and then I'm wrapping it over and going right up to the other edge. Yeah, all right, well that works. So there you have it. There is your mask. Great job, friends. Woohoo! Remember to clean everything up. Great job, friends. Woohoo! Nice job making this mask. So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your mask. I hope you'll have tons of fun playing with it. And if you did this craft, guess what? Craft is the word to put in your Beanstack account. C-R-A-F-T, craft. All right, friends, we'll see you next week. Have a great day. Bye-bye.